That's what you need.
Why is the door shut?
What we can do.
You are a butthole. Is that what y'all were doing?
Everybody missed it.
No, I saw it. I saw it.
Y'all are buttholes.
That wasn't on the list, was it?
No, it wasn't.
Got my picture. Wait, good thing my phone wasn't sitting right there.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
I'll print you another one.
Aw, man.
I'm surprised it didn't get on your outfit.
Now it's not gonna be good, and I was really thirsty. I'm so hot.
I'll get you another. But look at the list of what everybody thought you were going to say.
Where's the list?
It's like profanity and nasty words.
What
Yeah,
did
she-
I say?
Actually, that's probably what you needed after that interview.
Butthole.
Yeah, she said something, but
They were like GD and
Oh.
Oh yeah, what the, you know.
yeah.
Well, I
In
told
her
them you were going to be
defense.
reserved.
Hey, in her defense,
Look.
that didn't
that's
go
why I
anywhere
didn't-
over.
It did, yeah, it did.
just went.